Hi everyone, I'm filming one of my paintings. I don't know if you can see the oil on top. So I use a box and I use Diatomaceous Earth. I'm going to just sprinkle it on top. Now I've used this already, this little bit, on another painting. I'm just sprinkling it. I'm not rubbing it in, I'm just sprinkling it. And I'm going to let this sit, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to put it on there. And I'm going to brush it off just to show you. So normally I would let this sit maybe, I don't know, a few hours, even overnight. You don't want to scrub this because these are like little, I don't know, like little pebbles or whatever. So you can use a brush. Okay, you're going to let it sit, absorb the oil, and just see how it's sticking. You're going to take your brush. You can use a foam brush. I wouldn't use a paper towel because they're paper and they can scratch. And I think it's going to need some more, so normally I would let it sit. And you will need to wash this with some dish detergent or Dr. Bronner's diluted in water, and use like a cotton cloth and wash it off a little bit and let it dry. So it's actually, I buy a big bag. It's a little bit more dusty than this, but it will absorb the oil. So that's how you do that. And again, you can see the areas where it's sticking because I'm not letting it sit. Not letting the oil sit like overnight or whatever. So I'm going to take this, and I just wanted to demonstrate how you can take the earth and put it on. And then tomorrow it should be fine. I will wash it. But you don't put it under running water. Just, dip your cloth in some water with the Dr. Bronner's diluted or a baking soda diluted. And then you can, wash it off a little bit because this is dusty. So you need to get the dust off before. I'll probably resin this one. So there it is. That's what it looks like. Alright, that's it. A very quick video today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.